Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of logging into your WooCommerce affiliate program account. Follow these simple, step-by-step instructions to access your account effortlessly. Step 1. Visit the WooCommerce affiliate program website. Open your preferred web browser and go to the official WooCommerce affiliate program page. You can typically find this at the WooCommerce website or through a direct link provided by the program. Step 2. Locate the login section. Once you're on the WooCommerce affiliate program page, scroll down or navigate to the top of the site where you should see a login button or a link. Click on this to proceed to the login portal. Step 3. Enter your credentials. In the login form, you will be prompted to enter your username or email address and your password. Make sure to enter the correct information associated with your affiliate account to avoid any login issues. Step 4. Remember your credentials. If you're using a personal device, consider checking the box that allows your browser to remember your login details. This will save you time for future logins. However, avoid this on public or shared computers for security reasons. Step 5. Click on the Login button. After entering your credentials, click the Login button below the form. This action will take you to your WooCommerce affiliate dashboard. Step 6. Troubleshooting login issues. If you encounter any problems while logging in, such as forgetting your password, look for a Forgot Password link on the login page. Click on it and follow the instructions to reset your password. Step 7. Access your affiliate dashboard. Upon successful login, you will be directed to your affiliate dashboard. Here, you can track your referrals, earnings, and other important affiliate metrics. Thank you for following along with our step-by-step guide on logging into your WooCommerce affiliate program account. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips and tutorials.